Way to go, a-hole!
Aw, crap.
July is National Baked Bean Month. Excuse me. Yes, a month in which we pay tribute to one of America's favorite, most healthful, and nutritious foods. I'm terribly sorry. As I was saying, good Lord, this is terribly embarrassing. I'm so... Whoa, doggy! I guess I'd better wrap this up quick. Basically, Jesus, whoa! Oh, God! My God!
Baked beans. They're nature's way of saying, for God's sake, open a window. Sorry.
I'll be back.
Bite me! Kiss my curvy butt. Goodbye.
Damn it! Hell with this.
Do not go in there. Woo! Excuse me. You shut your foul mouth!
If someone is not telling the truth, you say that they are full of
shit.
Go to hell!
Hasta la vista, baby.
Houston, we have a problem.
This is bullshit. I'm not listening to this. You are insane.
No, you're insane. And we simply do not have time for this crap.
Out of my way, jerk ass!
I hope you rot in hell, you loser! You suck! You don't deserve a car! My rose, red liver lips! You're so ugly you could be a modern art masterpiece!
Tell him you fucking did it. Tell him you blew it all up. That's what he wants to hear.
What the hell was that?